Hello from Slovenia again. Holidays are over. I hope that you have great time with your families, and I did. So let's paint a little. I want to show you dry result of my previous pour. You see this metallic violet shimmers nice. It dries nice, dried nice. I like it. And this one is from the same surface that it was the previous one, but I just add some violets and golds and greens, and I get this painting. I like this one too, but I did it off camera because I decided lately that I will not do two canvases because it's too long. Videos are then too long, and I'm afraid that I bother you. So today I have 30 by 40 centimeter canvas, so a little bigger one, and we will see what we can get with this. I just put my spray my paper towel, and I will do just 2 flowers. This surface is not as big as my canvas, so it is like this, like to the end of my tape. So that's why I did these flowers a little bigger, because I want them to be like cobalt. And phtalo. And I have a little of this Prussian blue. I will add it here in the middle, I think. And for the greens, I will add phtalo. I don't know how this will work, because I didn't want to tape two paper towels together, because probably they would separate or tear apart, or how can I say, when I will leave this canvas. I hope that this one will stay. We will see what will happen, if we will get anything at all out of this. I don't know, but I want to try. And let's do it. You see that my canvas is much bigger than my paper towel, but I hope that I will get some result out of it anyway. We will see. We'll just I feel that there is a lot of air bubbles, a lot of air underneath, so I hope that I will be able to touch all my surface. We will see. And let's go. I like it. It's whispery. It's I think that it's not too busy. I have to pop these air bubbles. You see, there is a lot of air bubbles on the surface because there was so much air playing around. So we have to pop these bubbles. I just don't know what is here, so I will just... Maybe I want a little more green, but and maybe I should add a little more paint. What do you think? Definitely wispy, delicate, but I just missed something, but I don't know why. What? Maybe I should add some maybe orange here in the center, or do bigger petals to get a little bigger flowers. Just see if I must do something. I don't know if I pull out some paints here and there, or don't like this part somehow. I don't know. And lost a lot of greens. See, I don't know how this happened, but that's how it is. Marry this one these two together because it's weird somehow. It's kind of cute because it's like these green leaves blowing in the wind or something. Just try to pull some lines here and there to maybe get a little more interest. Like this. Sorry, I just thinking what to do because I just thought that I should add some interest to this painting, so marry these two together. So I'm not sure about this one. I kind of like it because it's so wispy and gentle, but I'm not sure. I will take you for a close-up and you will tell. What do you think? See? It is kind of neat. This flower here, I think that it's okay. These green leaves are has beautiful details, you see, but I'm not sure about overall look of it. I like this part here, but I don't know if I like the whole picture, painting. So this was experiment on bigger canvas with paper towel on my surface, and we will try to do some more experiments. And till then, have a nice day and see you.